Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the 5 things you really do need to know before deciding to be an English major. Okay, so the first thing seems pretty obvious, but you're going to read and write a lot. You just are. And it takes time. It's not the kind of thing where you can just get by, whatever. Like, you're gonna be reading and writing a lot of the time. And, some English classes I've been in, it's a lot of reading and writing stuff is outside of class, and then the time in class is just discussing what you've done. So that's definitely something you have to be aware of, and like, do you have the time for that, and do you care to take the time for it, So the next thing is just understanding that you're not going to like everything you read and write and do as an English major. You're just not. And that sounds like something that sucks. It sounds like a con, like, hey, don't be an English major, you're not gonna like everything. But in all honesty, it's just the opposite. Because it's truly like such important knowledge, and it's just as important as understanding why you like a piece of writing, because you don't have to like or enjoy what you're reading, but to be able to say I don't like it because of this gives you just as much information about what you need to do in your own writing as saying I like how this writer does this. So no, you're not going to enjoy everything, but you're going to learn just as much from what you don't enjoy as you do from what you do enjoy. So the next thing is just to be prepared to try new things. With an English major, again, there's just a lot of opportunity. And especially, again, from my perspective with creative writing, there's so many different things you can do with that. I mean, creative writing can put you in the business world. Every single company in today's day and age needs content. They do. Whether that's blog posts, whether it's social media content, whether it's literally just writing the content for their website, whatever it is, they need content. And they need people who can effectively communicate. So you could go into business with an English degree. You could go writing novels, writing scripts, writing different kinds of books. You could be an English teacher. Like, there's so many different things you can do. And honestly, being an English major, you're going to try different things. And some of you'll say, you know what? Cool, not for me. Some things you'll say, oh, I never expected that. I never expected to enjoy that. And it's really, really fun and cool. So, don't, go into it deciding this is the only thing I'm going to do. So the next thing I want to talk about is this idea of like right and wrong with an English major. So with other majors, like things are just always going to be one way or another. In math, 2 plus 2 is always going to be 4. There is never going to be time where adding 2 and 2 will equal anything but 4. In an English major, sometimes not everybody sees things the same way. When you're analyzing a piece of work, you may get a very different conclusion from what you read than your professor does or your other students do. There's no right or wrong answer, and that's one of the most beautiful things about being an English major, and it's also one of those things that's hard because you're not going to find the clear-cut answer. You're not going to just look at it and say, oh, that's it, okay, quick and easy, let's go. You have to think about it. You have to, look through all the different things, look at the evidence, look what different things could come up with it, and decide what you understand it best to mean. So it makes it harder, but if you enjoy it, it's just so cool and fun and interesting. And that kind of brings me into my last point is only do it if you care. Don't be an English major expecting it's just going to be this easy major. Oh, I just don't even know what I'm going to do, so I'm going to be an English major. It'll just be easy. I'm sure you could make it easy. I'm sure you could just not do the readings and cheat online, I guess. But it's not just this easy degree that people kind of make it out to be. And if you care and if you're interested and if you love it, it's not that it's easy, but it's worth all the work. It's so interesting and it's so fun. And even when I'm stressed out about my work, I can't wait to like keep doing it. I'm like sad for when I'm done with college and I'm not gonna have, a place to go to just discuss novels and analyze and just have the space in my life to do that. If you care and if you love it, it's a million times worth it. And if you don't, it's not like you're gonna destroy your life, but it's so sad to me, the idea of somebody who doesn't like really care about it to not get the experience out of it that you would if you do. So that's just, obviously, if you don't have to love it to do it, but it's just my advice. That is all that I have today. Let me know if you guys have your own ideas of like things people should know before they become an English major, and you guys can read the comments and see what people have to say. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Bye!